Guys, let me welcome you warmly. Today I have something really cool that I received and it's already been unpacked. This is this Smukee vintage toaster. So it looks really beautiful. Check it out, guys. It's like this vintage American style. So we've taken it out of the box. I've managed to connect it up. Now let's set the timing and let's check how it works. You can see there's few buttons. You can even defrost your toast if you have them frozen. And now if you make them fresh, it's time to place them in. All right, let's try it out. It looks really good. There we go. And it's really getting hot in here. By the way, you can see that already. There. So let's wait for it. So you can see here. Let's check out the quality of the equipment. So looks pretty wonderful. You can see the knobs like in wood imitation. There we go. They are ready. Oh, beautiful. I don't like them too brown. That means this is perfect for me. All right, let's put some butter on it and let's have a good toast with coffee. All right. So thanks for sticking with me, guys.